cute in a dress, she cute in some jeans. She ain't a member, she is the team. When I'm on the go, she know where I be. She is my rock, she is my queen. She is my rock, bust at the up.
Sorry for the interruption, but the perfume collection is coming. Before I start this video, I do want you guys to know that I do have merch. Finally, you guys have been asking me for merch, and I've been working on this merch for so freaking long now. This shirt I have on is actually one of my merch items. It's a t-shirt. It just says country but cashing. If you guys can see that or not, yeah, that's how it looks. This shirt means so much to me. I will have an exclusive video telling you guys about everything that I have, what every shirt means, and what was the meaning behind every shirt. But that kind of means the same thing what I just said. I'm not going to edit that out. But I did want you guys to know that the lunch is going to be Thursday the 24th or Friday the 25th. Whatever day I'm going to lunch, I will have an entire video up with all the links down below. Your girl has been doing her thing, and I'm so freaking excited. I hope you guys support your girl. You guys have been asking me for merch, so I came to deliver. I delivered for you guys. So I hope you guys definitely love everything that I came up with. Everything that I came up with has a meaning behind it, and it means so much to me. Because your girl is country, honey, and I ain't changing for nobody. So stay tuned. Everything will be in the video, all the details, everything like that. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be my updated perfume collection. As you guys can see over here, when I did my tour of my filming room, if you guys have not seen that, I will link it down below. You guys was asking me to do an updated perfume collection and let you guys know which was my top 5 or my top 3. So before I get started, and I'm not going to take all my perfumes out of here, I'm just going to turn the camera around and just tell you guys what all the perfumes that I have. I have had some of them for quite a while, but I will show you guys some of the new ones that I have, and these are definitely my top 3. Besides my new Juicy Couture one in there I just got. I had it on yesterday, and oh, it smells so freaking good. So the top 3 out of all the perfumes that I have, and these are not all of them. I do have a few in my jewelry armoire at the bottom, and then I also have some Scentbird ones that are some of my favorites as well. You guys know I do love Scentbird. I have coupon codes on them and everything like that. This video is not sponsored, but I do stand behind Scentbird and things like that. I don't work for companies who I don't believe or like their products. So definitely go check Scentbird out. This is like a free promotion. They did not pay me to say that. So this one is the Tom Ford. It's called Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. You guys, this I think is my most expensive bottle that I have because it was around, it was almost $200. And this is the purple one. And it just smells so good. This is not an everyday bottle only because it was so freaking expensive. I snapped this when I first got it. I love Tom Ford. I just love their perfumes. They're kind of expensive, so if you're going to invest in like some perfume, I would definitely invest in, when I say invest, meaning because the bottles are so freaking high that you want to make sure you are purchasing a perfume that you're going to really wear. This one is just for special occasions like date night, or if me and my husband is going somewhere, stuff like that, and he loves Tom Ford. He's the one actually bought them for me. And then I have another Tom Ford here. You guys remember when I did my I did a haul, and then I incorporated Scentbird in there, and this was how I learned about this particular bottle of Tom Ford that I have, because I got a 30-day trial with Scentbird. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you know, this video is not sponsored, but when you do sign up for Scentbird and things like that, you do get a 30-day supply. It's only $14.99, and you're able to try out different perfumes that you may have not even heard of before. So this one right here is in the black bottle. I think it's so freaking sexy, as you guys can see right here. And then it's called Tom Ford Black Orchid. Bottle is so sleek, very sexy. Like I said, this is not an everyday perfume for me. This is only for special occasions. And out of the two, I will say the Black Orchid is more of a stronger smell. Now, I'm not going to go into depth about like different types of smell I like, because it just depends on the day and what I'm doing. So if I'm going to like a meeting or anything with business, I'm wearing this Tom Ford, okay? Because every time I go somewhere, people are always asking me, what type of lotion is that? What type of perfume is that? And I always love to send people to Tom Ford because I just love the Tom Ford. Actually, this one is 100 milliliters, but the other ones that I've had before probably was smaller than this. So this is like the biggest one I've had. That's probably why it costs so much. But between the two, I would have to say the purple one would be my favorite out of the two, only because this has a more, this one is stronger than this one. Oh, I almost dropped it. But these bottles are so freaking sexy, as you guys can see. And like I said, they're kind of expensive, so you definitely want to do your research. Go like smell them at the store, stuff like that, before you buy them online, because I purchased mine online. But like I said, I've smelled them before. So yeah. So these are my top two favorites. But like I said, out of all the perfume I have, this one, Velvet Orchid Tom Ford, would have to be my favorite one. Even though I only wear it if I'm going to a meeting or if I'm going on a date with my husband, stuff like that. But you can wear this whenever you want to. I just prefer to wear some of my cheaper perfumes, like for everyday use, or if I'm not doing anything and stuff like that. And most of the times, I kind of stick to wearing the same perfume for a week. So like I don't switch it up like every perfume, every different, you know, every different day, every day. So as you guys can see, if I start off the week wearing these and I'm going to meetings, for the rest of the week, this is the one I'm going to wear. I don't switch it up. And then before I start, this is the third one. This one is called Carolina. I'm not sure if it's Era or Hera, New York. And it looks just like this. And it has like the little heel on it, because it's obviously it's a heel. And then you don't take the top off or anything like that. You just spray it like so. Now I have had this probably about a couple of months. They actually have a blue one like this. It has like glitter on it. Smells so freaking good. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you have it, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you like it, because I absolutely love it. Every time I try to go purchase it, it's sold out. So that will definitely be the next one in my collection. I am obsessed with this. I think this was almost, matter of fact, I think this was like $96 to $98 plus tax. Out here it was like $100. So enough rambling. You guys did ask me my top three. That's why I want to throw that in there. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys. Now, like I said, if you guys have not seen my room tour, the filming room tour, I will link it down below. And a lot of you guys were still questioning me about this particular item that I use to store my perfume in. And I said it in the video, you guys probably wasn't paying attention. But this is just a clear and white, I don't know what it's called. I got it from IKEA. If I remember while I'm editing this video, I will try to link it down below. And it was only like $59 or $69. I believe it was only $59. And I saw this, I was like, this is a great way to store my perfume. All I have to do is get some cute little trays and just sit it in here, and it works perfectly fine. I like how it's displayed. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the perfume collection. And it's not too small. But like I said, if you guys want to see the full tour, then I will leave it down below. I'm just going to open it up and show you guys exactly. I just have microcores at the back. Then I have this microcores. I'm not sure. Let me see.
This one is Michael Kors Rose Radiant Gold. And then this one is Michael Kors Brilliance 24 karat Brilliant Gold. This one is the one I just showed you guys along with the 2 Tom Fords. And this one right here is, what is this called? Right here. What is this? Lady Million. And then when you go down, quite a few right here. So I have the Juicy Couture at the back. I think that's the limited edition. I also have another Juicy Couture at the back. This is another Juicy Couture. I have a lot of Juicy Coutures. That is, this bottle right here is Michael Kors Wanderlust. This is the Juicy Couture I was talking about, the one I just got. This is Gucci, Versace. This is Versace as well. And then this one right here is Miss Dior, which I'm almost out. And this is a classic. I love it. Then I have Prada back here. And then I have the Chanel right here. But this bottle right here is actually one of my favorites. Juicy Coutures. I'm trying not to drop it. This bottle right here, so pretty, so glittery. The camera's not going to do it any justice. But this is all that I have right here. And then I'll show you guys the bottom. I have Givenchy, Very Irresistible. Michael Kors, it's called Sexy Amber, I believe. Victoria's Secret, Fearless. And back there I have Burberry. Then I have the Sexy Little Things collection called New York with Victoria's Secret. Right there I have Prada, which is called Candy. Then I have the other one right here. I also have the, what is that? Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I have Coach, Tory Burch. This is Marc Jacobs Honey. I also have Dolce & Gabbana back there. Right here is just Rihanna. You guys are probably not going to be able to see it that clearly. And then back there I have, what is this? Gucci. And I think it's Gucci Guilty. So that is everything I have right here. So let me show you guys. This everything. I have more, but I don't like display them. So that is my perfume collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to click the subscribe button. And I love you guys so much. Until next time, you guys. Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say.